once sailed the sea from Greece to Syria in 1998. But strong winds came, the waves were high, and the ship lost her way beneath the dark sky. Now she rests in Paphos, Cyprus Bay. The sea still touches her every day. Rust is growing, the metal fades, but she stands proud and beautiful, still unafraid. Oh, we came from Germany to live by the sea on the island of Cyprus, wild and free, two hearts, one dream, a brand new start. The ocean's voice now guides our heart. We film our life, both land and wave, each dive, each moment, the path we pave. Follow us on Instagram, come and see the life we build beside the sea. Oh Cyprus, your beauty shines so bright, from Paphos waves to golden light. The MV Demetrios still stands by the sea, a hidden gem for hearts like me. Your cliffs, your sun, your endless blue. Every day feels born and new, more stories waiting in the tide. In Cyprus, love and dreams collide. Golden cliffs and endless blue, every frame a dream come true. From coral bay to open deep, the sea holds secrets we still seek, but danger